Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video today. This video actually started a couple days ago, the beginning of the week to be exact. Today's Sunday. I made this review with my brother. It is a microphone, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back there right now. The reason why we have to go back is because for some reason the audio did not record, and then I was able to figure out that it was because I was missing this specific part. So when I come back after the video, I will explain that, present it to you guys, and we'll proceed. So let's go. Alright guys,
hello guys, welcome to Tech Today with Cesar. There's another edition with
Cesar Suarez TV. Today we're gonna do a tech review. We actually got a new mic for interviews and different type of stuff for videos. And right now we're gonna review it and see how it works. He's gonna wear one. I'm gonna wear one. So let's go ahead. This is an Amazon Prime package.
There you go. Well, that was anticlimactic.
This is a lot simpler than it needs to be. By the way, I like popping that. Okay, so as you guys know, I have made videos of this company prior to this video. This is the Alvoxcon microphone. This is a wireless microphone. So we're gonna go ahead and do a review of it. It's a wireless microphone, and of course you got your manual. That's how it is. Yeah, that's what it is. Right, so this is what the box brings. So this is one microphone. This is the second microphone. So two. And then you have another microphone. So I guess you got three. Oh, yeah, I was wondering.
What? I could use it for PlayStation.
I could do this for speech. In the great Americas. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It actually brings two of these microphones. These are stage mics. Justin Bieber sings with us. This little thing here is the receiver. This is the receiver right here. This goes to the camera. We'll plug that in a minute. So what this is this is the charger. This is the holster for the camera, and this is the adapter. If you're going to use a Canon like I'm going to use here, you have to plug it in there. This goes as like a protector where it's going to hot shoot right here on top of your camera, so you can connect it through the microphone jack. As you can see, everything is rechargeable. These are the what sends the signal to the receiver. The microphones go connected here. For this video, we're going to use the ones that go on your shirt right now. One for Mr. Nathan, one for Mr. Suarez. Nathan. It's simple. You just plug it in here and screw it in so it doesn't come out. Alright, so this is one. This is Nathan's. So same thing here. Put it right there. Power it on. I'm gonna go ahead and power on the receiver. I see that it's receiving signal from one of the mics. Let me turn it off. See. Now, if you turn on this right there, a green light will come on here, which means it's receiving signal. If I shut it off, it will turn off. This right here is when the receiver is on. So see there? See that? Okay. See that green light right there? It's on. Alright, so I'm gonna put this right here. So let me plug in the receiver to the camera. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I know it's weird. In the past video, the video before this one, you saw that I did not have a haircut. I mean, the beginning of this video. Then the other video, you saw that I had a beard and my puffy hair. And now on this video, you see me refreshed with a haircut. My barber called me while I was recording the videos. So now, the thing that we have to do is connect this adapter See that adapter? I don't think it's gonna focus. Whatever. So see that needs to be plugged here, and now this could be plugged to the camera, and this can be placed with a hot shoot on top of the camera. Let me show you this. Before we switch the microphones, the first thing I need to do is turn this on, put the microphone on me, and I'll be doing that right. See that? Right here. See microphone? And you see how there's a green light? So this is now going up here. Alright, so the microphone's here. It's plugged up there. Let's put that video for you. You see that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? So it's this part, I'm going to put it right here. Like how it will go in any event where you're recording. So now we're capturing the audio on this mic. This mic is currently off, but I am gonna, you're listening to me through this one, but I'm gonna put this one all the way here. You see that? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on the table really light. Do you hear that? I know it might be a little annoying, but it's just a way for us to test this microphone. This comes with the manual, as you saw. I'm going to turn this one off. So if you were to go on stage, you can actually use this as your mic, and it will connect to the same part. But I mean, in a blog, it doesn't look really cool. It looks cool on stage though. So yeah, this is really cool because I'm thinking about doing a show on my YouTube channel. It is gonna be in Spanish. It's not gonna be part of my English version, but it's gonna be about here in the Bronx for now. It's an idea that I've been building on for a little while. So microphones like this is the reason why I bought two. What I love about it is you can connect these two microphones. You can have one, and the other person who you're interviewing can have the second one. And then you have a hot shoot on the camera, so you don't have to be worrying about the position or any of that good stuff. So now we're gonna start by making some great content in Spanish, merging to an English version of it in the future, and just basically building on it. The cool part about this YouTube channel is that the ideas are endless, and you're the one who puts the limits to them. I'm going to leave my link below so you can get this product on Amazon. By you clicking that link, you're helping the channel. Of course, by also subscribing to the channel, you are helping us gain more people to follow us in a bigger audience. Please don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions. I'm always here to answer them. Hopefully the sound came out great this time and you guys can hear it. Yeah, so we did this test, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.